internet. So, a bit of a rainy Saturday afternoon. Thought I'd give the tank a bit of a go. Give you a bit of a close-up around it to start with. As you can see, it's looking really rough after using the paint stripper, but it seems to have really gone right down to the metal in most places. So we're going to start it off with a 80 grit on the sander, and let's see how we get on with that. I think it will come down quite nice. I'm more concerned the reaction that the filler has had. So let's give it a go and see how we get on. Hey internet, so after a few hours of rubbing down, I think we're about there really. The tank now is looking pretty good. There's some areas where I haven't taken it all the way down to bare metal, and that's because of the filler repairs. So I've decided, well, I've got to make a decision. I've either got to take it all out and then refill it, or because the filler repairs are good and they're solid, I think I'm going to go with them as they are. On this side, however, the filler's been uncovered too much, so I've got some little repairs I've got to do, some here and here. You can just see the low spots here, so I'm just going to mix a bit of filler up now and get that done. So there you are, filler put on, hardly used any really, doesn't look great at the moment, but I'll leave that overnight now and flat it off tomorrow. I might end up having to put a little bit more on yet, it just all depends how much comes out and how smooth it is when I've flatted it off. I don't think I will, but you know, there's every possibility I might, but I've still got some left, so that's fine. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up for the video. I note again that our subscribers are going up. We'll probably hit 300 this week, which is an addition of about 100 since last weekend, which is fantastic. Keep watching, keep dropping me any comments if you've got anything to say. I gave up on custom cans with the Firecracker Red, unfortunately. I couldn't get any response out of them at all, very disappointingly, because I really like the paint, as you know. I've ended up ordering it from RS Bike Paints. I think that's the full name of it, but found them on the internet. A great search engine for finding out the right colour for the right year of bike. So I've ordered 4 cans of the, and it is a 2-stage, so there's a base coat colour, and then there's a which is specific on top of the primer, and then there's the top coat, which is the Firecracker Red. So if you don't put the right base coat colour on, the Firecracker Red's not going to come out as it should. So I've ordered that should be here hopefully next week. I've also ordered the decals for the bike. Bit of a strange one really, off from eBay, but I've got a delivery date not until the 20th of August for some reason, which is a bit of a long wait, but it'll give the hopefully I'll have it all painted by then, just ready for clear coating, and it'll at least give the paint a good while to go off, I suppose. I think that's okay to do, leave it a good while, but you know, between applying the clear coat lacquer, but I will just check, and if it's the case it's got to be done a bit sooner, I'll leave the painting until I've got the decals. But yeah, so that's all good. Great, thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Bye.